Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Daily Driving. Here we do automotive travel, car photography, videography, and daily immersion to rich and entertaining car culture. In this episode, we'll feature a POV driving experience with an Acura TL 4th generation, which debuted almost 14 years ago. Is this car still relevant and sought after in the year 2023? Let's find out. So without further ado, let's drive this car. Right now we are driving a 2010 Acura TL 6-speed with super handling all-wheel drive in a V6 J37A4 engine, producing about 305 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque on the power band. It's a mid-size sedan, a little bit heavy at almost 4,000 pounds, but it's still quick at the dig in bone stock form, going just about the 5-second mark from 0 to 60. As we all know, Acura is Honda's luxury division and has been a mixture of both worlds. Acura cars are both American and JDM and has been a staple for reliability and performance. We still see a lot of 2009 to 2014 TLs today, but not so much with their German competition in their time. Why? Because these cars last 250,000 miles and beyond. Mind you guys, its stock exhaust notes sounds pretty good, right? Bar smooth shifting, which Honda cars are known for. The steering is a little bit numb, but it is good enough. It is quick for its class on the dig. That 5.2 second in the 0 to 60 in today's standards is not much, but if you go full bolt-ons, it could be a 4-second car. Plus, did you know that the 4th generation Acura TL 6-speed is the quickest production car after the NSX? Let me know in the comments if you agree or not. Give me your thoughts. Interior looks great. Nice leather and lots of tech buttons, like a 747 cockpit. Exterior styling, in my opinion, is aggressive. Way back in 2010, when it was just starting to roam the streets, it's hard turning. You wouldn't know if this is a Batmobile or a freaking Gundam. Some hated the superimposed beak look, but for me it looks great. You don't agree? Well, just vent in the comments below and let's discuss it. So, is it still relevant in 2023? Of course. Reliability alone will carry its name. They last a long while and easy to maintain. It's stylish, luxurious, and quick. If you want to squeeze more power out of the TL, do a full bolt-on. Or the practical ways to get light wheels, grippy tires, and of course change your oil religiously. The TL name badge has been long retired. The TL and the TSX name badge have been merged into what we call nowadays a TLX, which of course we knew that is a subdued version of TL, and it doesn't operate a manual gearbox. You know that the TL of the past had a huge following, and of course Acura, if you're listening, I hope you bring the TL back, and I'm sure the TL fanboys will, rejoice. Bring back the TL and save the manuals. Till next time.